Hello, Michael Hughes here, Michael Hughes Training. I am a big fan of flip charts, but my second favourite piece of training equipment is this. The clipboard. The humble clipboard is invaluable when you don't have enough table space for staff. If you don't have clipboards, staff have to balance their notes precariously on their knee, or go looking for large books, or stealing files from the office. With a clipboard, they can write their notes, complete their workbooks in comfort. And there's a number of different types. You can have transparent plastic ones. I'm not a fan of them because they're a bit fragile and they can break. You have ones like this, which are probably, this one has a little box as well, as you can see there. You can have this, but I think this is probably more expensive than you really need. You have the very common cardboard type, cardboard covered with kind of a plasticky cover. I'm not such a fan of these because the plastic tends to peel away. Can you see it there? Okay, these tend not to last that long really. My favourite type of clipboard for a training situation is the plain wooden one. They're quite cheap, they're not that pretty so they probably won't get stolen, and they're very robust. Speaking of stealing, clipboards can have a tendency to develop legs and walk. So if you do invest in some clipboards, and I recommend that you do, you keep them stored away safely, put your name on them and count them out and count them back in. So that's what I have to say about clipboards. It does amaze me that organisations that spend thousands of pounds on training won't spend a few quid on clipboards. I don't know. So, please get some clipboards. My name is Michael Hughes. If you want to get in touch, email me at info@michaelhughestraining.com. In the meantime, please hit subscribe and check out my other videos. And keep up the good work.